section of the program, which we're going to start off with our Athletes of the Year by our new athletic director, Mr. Steve Hooper.
Good evening. On behalf of Dr. Mickey Reynolds, our principal, the entire Winter Springs High School Athletic Department, coaches, and staff in our community, tonight we are making two exceptional recognitions. The mission of the Winter Springs High School Athletic Department is to facilitate programs of excellence as defined by the FHSAA by implementing a holistic approach that balances family, academics, and athletics. We nurture the development of social responsibility and encourage the pursuit of post-graduation, career paths, and athletic aspirations. Additionally, our staff and student athletes exhibit pride, respect, and integrity while representing our athletics department, our school, and our community. The first recognition tonight will be made to this year's Female Student Athlete of the Year. This year's recipient has exceeded this expectation as she was able to achieve a weighted grade point average of 3.95 while competing as a four-year member both for the volleyball and track and field teams. She's a four-time conference, district, and regional champion, and four-time state qualifier in track and field. Her teammates and coaches have selected her as captain as she exemplifies leadership on campus and during competition. The school record holder in the shot put and discus, ladies and gentlemen, please help us in recognizing the 2012-2013 Female Student Athlete Award recipient, Ms. Rebecca Evans.
Yeah! Way to go back!